Hello students, मैं BL Sharma Maths sir, and this is part 5 of the chapter Coordinate Geometry of class 9th Mathematics, that is for the new syllabus 2026-27. And question number 41 is on your screen. The distance of the point P having the coordinate -2, -4 from the x-axis is, ये जो पॉइंट है -2, -4 x-axis से कितने डिस्टेंस पे है से पहले हम इसको पॉइंट को ये देखिए, ये एक पॉइंट पी है -2, -4, ये एक्स एक्सिस है। इससे जो इसका डिस्टेंस है देखिए 1 यूनिट, 2 यूनिट, 3 यूनिट एंड 4 यूनिट। डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज टेकन एज पॉजिटिव, सो बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द पॉइंट्स पी फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन इज, ये पॉइंट पी है हैविंग द कोऑर्डिनेट 3, 4, उसका ओरिजिन से डिफरेंस डिस्टेंस कितना होगा सी। ये point P with coordinate 3, 4, and this is origin with coordinate 0, 0. We know the distance formula is given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of it. Here x2 is 3, x1 is 0, y2 is 4, y1 is 0. So putting the value 3 minus 0 whole square, 4 minus 0 whole square, taking square root of it. This 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So 9 plus 16, that is 25 square root of it, and square root of 25 is 5. So the distance of P is equal to 5 units, means distance of the point P from the origin is 5 units. So D is the correct option. The distance between the 2 points P and Q having these coordinates will be coordinate of point P, that is 1, 1, and Q, that is 4, 5. So this should be the distance. That is 1, 1, and this point is P. This is point Q, 4, 5. What should be the distance? Using the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, take its square root. Here x2 is 4, x1 is 1 whole square plus y2 is 5, y1 is 1, so 5 minus 1 whole square, take its square root. 4 minus 1, that is 3 square, 5 minus 1, that is 4 square, take its square root. 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16, its square root, that is 25, and square root of 25 is 5. So D is the correct option. The distance between point P and Q having these coordinates will be 5 units. The distance between the 2 points with coordinate 3, 0 and 8, 12 will be C. We have the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of it. In place of x2 put 8, in place of x1 put 3 whole square, plus in place of y2 put 12, in place of y1 put 0 whole square root of it. 8 minus 3, that is 5 whole square, plus 12 minus 0 is 12 whole square. It's a square root. 5 square is 25 plus 12 square is 144, square root of it. That is square root of 169. 13 13s are 169, so square root of 30 169 is 13. So 13 units is C is the correct answer. The midpoint of the line segment joining the points A3, 4 and B 5, 0 is यहाँ पे दो पॉइंट दे रखे हैं एक दो पॉइंट given means the coordinates of the two points is given the point coordinates of point A are 3, 4 and point B are 5, 0. इसको हम पहले विजुलाइज करते हैं. Say this point is 3, 4 point A and this point is 5, 0 point B. And we need the midpoint of this line segment. पहले लिखिए the coordinates of A are 3, 4 and coordinates of B are 5, 0. अब हम मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करते हैं. मिड पॉइंट इज गिवन बाय x1 plus x2 by 2 means sum of x coordinate divided by 2, half of it, and for the y coordinate, sum of y coordinates means coordinates divided by half of sum of y coordinates. x1 is 3, x2 is 5, divide by 2. 3 plus 5 divided by 2, ये x coordinate हो जाएगा. And 4 plus 0 by 2, that will be y coordinate. 3 plus 5, that is 8 by 2. And 4 by 2, 8 by 2 is 4, and 4 by 2 is 2. तो जो A और B लाइन सेगमेंट है उसका जो मिड पॉइंट होगा द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द मिड पॉइंट विल बी 4, 2 मींस x कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी 4 एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी 2. इसको फिर से विजुलाइज करते हैं. देखिए ये रहा वो पॉइंट. सी हियर x कोऑर्डिनेट इज 4 and y coordinate is 2. This is midpoint of line segment AB. So we can write 4, 2. Which is the correct answer? D is the correct answer. The distance of the point D from y-axis is, से ये आपका y-axis है और ये आपका डिस्टेंस है. आपके देखिए कैसे आप काउंट करेंगे. 1 यूनिट, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So D is the correct option. These are given points and ये कहाँ lie करते हैं? The third quadrant, in second quadrant, in first quadrant, and all points lie in the same quadrant. See, इनको विजुलाइज करते हैं. देखिए ये रहा. यहां पे देखिए ये साइन है प्लस माइनस. एक्स प्लस वाई नेगेटिव, एक्स प्लस वाई नेगेटिव, एक्स प्लस वाई नेगेटिव, एक्स प्लस वाई नेगेटिव. So the all point x plus y negative lie in the fourth quadrant. They all lie in the fourth quadrant. So we can say all points lie in the same quadrant. And same quadrant means fourth quadrant. So D is the correct option. The points lies in third quadrant, second quadrant, first quadrant, or all points do not lie in the same quadrant. See, that is 2, 2. That is, it means this lie in the first quadrant. Minus 2, minus 3 lie in the third quadrant. 4, minus 4 lie in the second quadrant, sorry, fourth quadrant, and minus 6, 5 lie in second quadrant. It means all three are lying in different quadrants. So what is your answer? All points do not lie in the same quadrant, or you can say all points lie in different quadrants. If the x coordinates of a point is zero, किसी भी पॉइंट का x coordinate जीरो है, then this point lies on, तो ये पॉइंट हमें कहां मिलेगा? x coordinate is zero, means first component is zero of the order pair. तो इसको विजुलाइज करते हैं, देखिए ये हमारा है, ये y एक्सिस पे x कोऑर्डिनेट हमेशा ही जीरो होता है. तो x कोऑर्डिनेट इज जीरो ऑन y एक्सिस एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट इज जीरो ऑन x एक्सिस. सो व्हाट इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर? The distance between the 2 points, minus 6 comma 8, having point P and origin, the coordinates of origin are 0 comma 0 will be, कितना होगा उसका आंसर? डिस्टेंस कितना होगा ओरिजिन और पॉइंट P के बीच में? यूजिंग डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला, coordinates of P and origins are given. Distance formula use करें, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root of it. x2 is minus 6 comma 0 whole square, and that is 8 minus 0 whole square, take its square root, that is minus 6 whole square plus 8 whole square, that is 36 plus 64, that is square root of 100, 10. So the distance is 10 units. Here, very important thing is you can take x1, y1 here and x2, y2 this. You can take x1, y1 this or x2, y2 this. No problem at all. आप x1, y1 किसी किसी एक को ले सकते हो और सेकंड को लोगे x2, y2. So that's all. Thank you.